Brahmacharini is the second form of goddess Durga, worshipped on the second day of Navratri. The name Brahmacharini is derived from the word Brahman, the ultimate truth or austerity, and Charini, meaning a female practitioner. Let's explore the symbolic meanings behind her form, starting with her bare feet. Brahmacharini walks barefoot. Spiritually, walking barefoot represents the renunciation of worldly comforts, teaching us that the spiritual path requires us to give up material pleasures and embrace a life of discipline. It reminds us to stay grounded in our spiritual practice, just as the goddess does. In her right hand, Brahmacharini holds a rosary, or mala, which symbolizes devotion and the constant repetition of the divine name. The mala reminds seekers of the importance of spiritual exercises such as meditation and chanting, guiding them toward inner strength through daily practice. The left hand holds a kamandalu, a simple water pot traditionally used by ascetics, symbolizing purity, self-control, and renunciation of material possessions. This object teaches us the value of simplicity and the importance of purifying the mind to reach spiritual clarity. Brahmacharini is often depicted wearing a white sari, representing purity, peace, and detachment from worldly desires. Her serene, calm expression reflects inner peace, even in the midst of intense penance. This calmness teaches us that spiritual strength comes from within and that true peace arises from unwavering devotion and clarity of mind. A significant aspect of Brahmacharini is her lack of weapons. Unlike other forms of Durga, she carries no weapons, symbolizing non-violence and the power of inner strength. From a Vedantic perspective, Brahmacharini symbolizes the crucial practice of tapasya, or austerity, necessary for spiritual growth. Her image reflects a phase of deep meditation, where the seeker engages in self-reflection, purifying the mind and heart to prepare for higher spiritual experiences. She is the embodiment of inner strength, showing that austerity is not about punishment, but about making space within oneself for spiritual wisdom to flourish. By worshipping Brahmacharini, we are reminded to focus on self-discipline and devotion, moving beyond superficial desires to pursue the deeper truths of spiritual growth. As we progress through the 9 days of Navratri, let us reflect on the teachings of Brahmacharini and strive to embody her qualities of patience, devotion, and inner strength. May her blessings guide us on our spiritual journey, helping us cultivate purity and steadfastness as we continue on the path to self-realization.